Hey guys, welcome to the 2018 MCAT preparation questions. This is question 10 in this series. So today's question is this one here. Basically what we have is a brown semicircle that's been placed on top of a green rectangle. Then a green triangle is placed on top of the brown semicircle. Alright, now it says show that the shaded green area can be simplified to r squared bracket 1 minus pi over 2. So the first step I'm going to do is I've got to actually try and figure out what the brown area is. To figure out what the brown area is, I have half a semicircle for the brown area, okay, minus the green triangle. So if I do that, I'm actually going to end up with the brown area that looks like this. Hope that makes sense. Okay, so what we do know is the radius. We've only been given one measurement, which is r right there. But know that if it's a semicircle, then that distance there is r, that distance there is r as well. So that means our semicircle's area is going to be half times pi r squared. And because in this case it's already radius is equal to r, we don't really need to change anything. We can leave it as half pi r squared. As for the triangle, we know that area of a triangle is half times base times height. So in this case, the height is going to be whatever the r is for the triangle. And then the base is actually going to be from here all the way to the end, which is another r, which means the base is going to be 2r. So then we can write this like this: half pi r squared minus half times base is 2r multiplied by height, which is another r. So simplifying this, we're going to have half pi r squared minus 2r squared divided by 2. And then we got the two 2's, they'll cancel out each other. And we're left over with just half pi r squared minus r squared. Okay. So that's the brown area. To actually work out the green area, the total area, so what we can do is we can take the green rectangle and then we can minus this funny looking shape here, which we found out to be half pi r squared minus r squared. Now for the green rectangle, the base is 2r and then the height is r. So for the green rectangle, we're going to get base times height minus the area of this funny looking brown shape, which we figured out it was that. So we're going to put that in bracket as half pi r squared minus r squared. Now base times height, so we've got 2r times r minus half pi r squared. I'm just going to take everything out of the brackets, plus r squared. So expanding this out, we're going to get 2r squared minus half pi r squared plus r squared is what we're getting. So we can simplify this as 3r squared minus half pi r squared. And we can actually take out r squared as a common factor. And we end up with 3 minus pi over 2. And that's what we were looking for at the beginning. Cool. That's it for this short little video, guys. Thank you for watching as usual. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.